YouTube, what's going on, guys? What is going on? Today we're gonna be reacting to somebody that keeps getting requested, and honestly the thumbnail is so dope that I just wanted to watch the video, and I figured if I'm gonna watch the video, I might as well react to it. I might as well do it with you guys. So look at my screen real quick. That thumbnail in the bottom left corner there is crazy. Dre Clipper Hands thumbnail is crazy too. I can see why he got 292,000 views on that. That one's dope. But this one is different. This looks like it's a whole transformation, a whole process. This is my guy from Brazil, Agno Black Red. Let's check out the video. Yo, this process had to have taken half a day. You bleached his hair, you colored his hair, you cut his hair, nice as hell. You filmed it all with all these angles. That's tough, bro. The thing about Brazilian barbers, man, is that they cut so many textures of hair. They're so versatile. They can cut everything. They can cut and style everything. He's gonna make sure the shape is right before he does the twist. Interesting. The shape is crazy though. He's killing it. For a second, I thought they were fast feeds, but have y'all noticed nobody's really using fast feeds anymore? He's not using no guards. I feel like the fade could be more spread out, but I think he's lining it up and he'll detail it some more. It just felt like it's like a little too much weight in the middle, but I already know the way that I cut hair, bro, it's gonna look like that till the final results. Yeah, he's not using no trimmers. He went straight to the blade. Look at it now. He definitely detailed it. He enhanced the cut. He didn't show that part, but he definitely did. And yeah, the fade is crazy. Look at the fade from this angle. They're using the curl sponge, and I think all he's gonna do is go in and detail each of those coils, right? That's what I'm thinking he's gonna do. Yeah, see? What product did he use? That wasn't like no leave-in conditioner. That looked like really waxy. Let's see what product that is. He doesn't show it. Oh, it's just a wax. It's literally just a wax, like a styling wax. All right, that hairspray in there. You put a lot of hairspray. Look at all that hairspray, bro. First you curl sponge, then you put some wax, curl sponge, hairspray, curl sponge. It's a process, bro. Like, what do you even charge for something like this, right? Yeah, now he's detailing the styling. Fade is on point, style is on point, the shape is crazy. Agno is a monster, bro. So what did you guys think? Let's look at the comment section.
Bom, é isso aí, família. Esse é o vídeo de hoje, tá ligado? Eu espero que vocês tenham gostado de verdade, mano.
I wanted to understand what he was saying so bad.
Tô aqui, pode ter certeza que é o melhor preço da atualidade.
Because he's speaking Portuguese, right? But like, if you speak Spanish, you can catch some things that they say. You know what I'm saying? I ain't catch none of that though. All right, let's see what the comments talking about. What? That boy's head gonna fall off All that sponging you doing. That boy head looking like a blueberry onion outback. I don't know what the hell you just said, but the haircut is fire in any language. Yo, I gotta like that one. That's facts. Which one everyone else do on this earth right now is going... Okay, doing... I haven't had any hair in over 25 years. Seeing this make me wish I still had hair. This is a dope haircut. Brooklyn is watching. So much love. So much love. Boom. I should have been subscribed. I don't know why I'm not subscribed. Cool. Guys, that was Agno Black Red. You know what, man? I think we got time. Let's check out this video, because this video looks dope. Elijah, this looks like a dope video. My son next to me, if y'all don't know. Thought it was Drake. So he went from clipper close to the one close. Now he's using the blade open and just kind of point cutting into it. Now this is probably like a number 2. Why does it look like he's using a half guard now? That don't make sense. That don't make sense, but it's working. Yo, he uses so much corner work. I don't think he's laid the clipper flat on his head once. And the fade is coming out blurry as hell. He definitely fade different than anybody I know, for sure. Like the way he cuts hair is unique. These close-up shots are crazy. Yeah, it's coming out blurry. He is so talented, bro, like crazy. A lot of people be hating a little bit, but he deserves as much praise as he gets, man, too. It's interesting that he did the fade first and then cut down the top. I feel like when you do that, you gotta detail so much more. I feel like the top being long like that was looking dope with the fade. Kinda hoping he kept the top. Yeah, doing all of that with blending shears, he cuts different for sure. It worked for him. No pushback. Great lineups. No pushbacks. Natural and clean. Oh snap, Elijah, you about to snap, bro. You about to snap, son. This is what you like. Mommy would never, unless it was like summertime. Yo, these close-up shots like this are so satisfying. I gotta step my game up. Man, this beat go crazy. This beat is crazy. Damn. I hate when that happens. When the hair gets stuck on people's lips like that. Agno, you gotta get your hands on some stateless skeletons, bro. Detailing beards with those are crazy. Using the compressor. He's slacking, right? You should be using my compressor. I don't like it this dark, but you know, it's a preference thing. I definitely have clients that I'll do it really natural looking. Like I have clients that'll ask me to apply more. So it really is a preference thing. And the cut was fire before the colors. So you want a design like that? The before? Now let's check out the after. Oof. What you think, Elijah? You like it? The fade came out amazing.
Bom, é isso aí, família. Espero que vocês tenham gostado.
I'm gonna skip this part because we've already heard him try to talk. I didn't understand any of it.
Spanish?
No, he's from Brazil. He speaks Portuguese, puppy. Man, you kill me every time. First time seeing him use the half guard. Yeah, me too. I said the same thing. Then the haircut was fire. Love from Indonesia. Perfection at its best. I'm happy there ain't a lot of enhancement haters in here. I'm not knocking you guys, but you're out there. You're lurking. You always be in the comment section. All right, cool. So anyways, guys, that is me reacting to one of the GOATs on this YouTube thing, Agno Black Red. This guy doing rapper numbers. Look at this one. I haven't seen this video yet, but 20 million views. Wow. And it's dope. It's dope to see. I hope he's getting a bag. I hope he's partnered with YouTube and he's getting money. Yeah. With all that being said, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you comment below. Let me know who you want me to react to next. We drop daily content. We drop every single day. So I will see you guys on the next video. Elijah, come over here. You want to say anything to the people?
Bye.
You want them to subscribe?
Subscribe.
All right. We out.